Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this little replacement remote control. It's a Sofabaton U2 universal remote controller. I see I got my TV behind me and we just have all these different remotes to use it for the different Fire Stick and whatnot. So I thought, hey, why not get a universal remote that can do a few things at once? So let's check this out. Let's open it up here. It's the Sofabaton U2. And here's the manual for it right there. And then we have the remote here, and it even comes with the batteries. Check that out. Let's see, we'll put this together and see what happens. What I like about it is it said it controls the Fire Stick too, which is kind of cool. It's hard to find ones that do that. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna put the batteries in. There we go, batteries are in. And there we go. So there, now it is in there. Oh, it says connect to the Sofabeam app, or Sofabaton app. So I guess I'm gonna have to connect it to the app in order to use that screen. So I might have to come back with my iPad and do that. Let's see, is there any way to use it without it? No, I'll be right back. Okay, so I installed the app and I went through and just created an account and then it got me to this point here. So now here we are. So I haven't done anything yet. So this is the U series, I'm gonna guess. That's what it looks like. And it says it wants to use Bluetooth, so we'll say okay. And then with anything on here, it says press and hold the minus button and the E button at the same time until the screen says pairing. Okay, I'm doing that now and it says pairing. So you can see it says pairing on there. And please select the remote. It's hard to hold these both up at the same time, but now it's doing it. And it says you haven't added any devices yet. So I'll add a device. So now let's add an infrared device to learn or search. Let's search the database. And let's just try Samsung. And I don't know what this one is. It's probably like 65 TV. I don't know, maybe that'll work. I don't know. It's got a command list here. Okay, so it says it's complete, and now it says Samsung on there. So now if I choose Samsung, let's see. It worked. Did you see the TV went on? I think. Or did it go off? Yep, it went on. So there, now it's on. So let's just see if this works. Oh, it does. We can control the Samsung stuff with this. But then if I want to do the Fire TV, we're going to try it. Let's go add another device. So let's see if we add. So we kind of got it working. So now I can control the Samsung and the Fire TV. How cool is that? And I can just switch between them by scrolling up and down and pushing the button. It looks like it's flashing a little bit. I think that's just the frame rate of the video because it looks fine on this. So super cool that you can do all that with the remote and it kind of shows on there what they are on the screen. So super cool. I like it. So if I push the power button, we're off. So good for me. Thumbs up on this. Very cool remote. I like it. So this is the Sofabaton U2. So pick one of these up. Thumbs up, links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.